Nobody jump over though. Y'all stay on this side real quick so I can explain to you in the hood real quick. Let's go! Alright, so look. Hey, y'all watch out. Yo, back it up, back it up, back it up. Yo, back it up, back it up. Yeah, in the trenches. All right. Watch your body. Watch your body. Watch your body. Back out. Back out, man. Back out. Back out. Back out. Go. We say we take Yo, follow me up to the video. Real shit. You're right. And young boy, under adventure. Green black. Yeah. I don't want to fuck cars. They out there giving out tickets or tow and shit. Just chill. Chill. Yo, let the back drop be seen. Yo, watch out a little bit. Open it up so I can let the back drop be seen. Camera two. Y'all camera two. Yeah, he the only one. He the only one. All right, miracle though, buddy. He the only one. All right, so look, bro. So the nigga, this train station used to run back in the day. You see the train tracks right there? Bro, like a couple years ago. Hey, yo, y'all go to the other side. Go to the other side. Y'all go to the other side. No way. Go to the other side. Go to the other side. Yo, everybody in the park. Everybody in the park. Everybody in the park, please. Going on. Everybody in the park. Everybody in the park. Everybody in the park. Oh shit! I ain't gonna scare you, bro. He dipping. Scared, bro. It's only me and my lawyer and my brother. And my two little brothers. I'm gonna pay you. I'm gonna pay you. It's only $2. I'm gonna pay you. We paying someone to get in. Up down, y'all gotta get out the street.